Good morning children. Welcome to VBPS e-learning classes. In my last video we have solved up to question number 6 of exercise 3C. Today we will start with question number 7 of exercise 3C. Before starting, I want to explain the process of checking subtraction. For this, 7 minus 3 equal to 4 and 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 7 is minuend and 3 is subtrahend. 4 is difference. 4 plus 3, 7. This is the process to check our subtraction. Exercise 3C. Subtract and check the subtraction is correct or not. Question number 7. Subtracting ones. 0 minus 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 0 because 0 is nothing. So I am borrowing from tens column. But it is also 0. So we move to the hundredth column. It is 7. 7 will give 1. So 7 minus 1 equal to 6. 7 cross out. 1, put 1 over here. 10 it will become 10. 10 will give 1 to the ones column. Put 1 over here. So it will become 10. It will become 10. We cross out 10. It will become 10 minus 1, 9. Because it has given 1 to the ones column. So it will become 9. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. 8 is smaller than 9. So we can't subtract it because 8 is smaller than 9. So we take 1 from 7. 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Cross out 7 and 1, put 1 over here. So it will become 18. 18 cross out. 18 minus 9, 9. 6 minus 3, 3. 8 minus 2, 6. So our answer 6,39,275. Checking subtraction using addition. We have to check our subtraction. For this we add difference plus subtrahend. Difference is 6,39,275 and subtrahend is 2,39,425. So we add these numbers 5, 5, 10, 1 carry, 1, 7, 8, 8, 2, 10, 0, 1 carry, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 7, 9, 9, 18, 8, 1 carry, 1, 3, 4, 4, 3, 7, 6, 2, 8. So our answer is 8,78,700, which is also as minuend, and this is also equal to this. Subtrahend equal to subtrahend. So our answer is correct. Question number 8. Subtracting once 4 minus 5. We can't subtract it because 4 is smaller than 5. So we take 1 from 3. 3 minus 1, 2, and 1 put here 1. So it will become 14. Cross out 4. 14 minus 5, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 6, we can't subtract it because 2 is smaller than 6. So we take 1 from 8. 8 minus 1, 7, and 1 put here, put over here. So it will become 12. It cross out. 12 minus 6, 6. 7 minus 7, 0. 0 minus 1, we can't subtract it because 0 is nothing. So we take 1 from 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Put 1 over here. So it will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 8 minus 1, 7. We have to check our subtraction whether it is correct or not. For this we add difference and subtrahend. Difference this and subtrahend this. 9, 5, 14. 4, 1 carry, 1, 2, 3, 6, 6, 12, 1 carry, 1, 7, 8, 9, 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 1, 7, 8, 8, 1, 9. So our answer is 9,08,234, which is also to minuend. 9,08,234. Both are equal, and this is also equal. Subtrahend to subtrahend also equal. All part of this is equal. So our answer is correct. Question number 9. 2 minus 9. We can't subtract it because 2 is smaller than 9. So we take 1 from 9. It will become 8 and it will become 12. 2 cross out. 12 minus 9, 3. 8 minus 9. We can't subtract it because 8 is smaller than 9. So we take 1 from 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 1 put here, put over here. 18 minus 9, 9. 5 minus 7, we can't subtract it because 5 is smaller than 7. So we take 1 from 5, it will become 4 and it will become 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 4 minus 8, we can't subtract it because 4 is smaller than 8. So we take 1 from 4, it will become 3, it will become 14. 14 minus 8, 6. 3 minus 7, we can't subtract it because 3 is smaller than 7. So we take 1 from 3, it will become 2 and it will become 13. 13 minus 7, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. For checking, we have to check our subtraction. For this, we add difference plus subtrahend. 3 plus 9, 12. 2, 1 carry, 1, 9, 10, 10, 9, 19, 9, 1 carry, 1, 8, 9, 9, 7, 16, 6, 1 carry, 1, 6, 7, 7, 8, 15, 5, 1 carry, 1, 6, 7, 7, 7, 14, 4, 1 carry, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. So our answer 3,45,692, which is also equal to the minuend. So our answer is correct. you can see, student, you can see this also equal to this, subtrahend also equal to subtrahend. So our answer is correct. Question number 10. Subtracting ones. 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 7. We can't subtract it because 5 is smaller than 7. So we take 1 from 6, it will become 5, and this will become 15. 5 cross out. 15 minus 8, sorry, 15 minus 7, 8, and 5 minus 9. We can't subtract it because 5 is smaller than 9. We take 1 from 3. So 3 minus 1, 2, and it will become 15. 15 minus 9, 15 minus 9, 6, and 2 minus 0, 2, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. So our answer 22,680. We have to check our subtraction. For this, we add difference plus subtrahend. So these two, so these difference is 22,680, and subtrahend 1,0971. We add these two numbers 0, 1, 1, 8 and 15, 1 carry, 7, 9, 16, 1 carry, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. So our answer 1,23,651, which is also equal to the minuend. 1,23,651. So our answer is correct. Student, you can see this difference is equal to the this, and subtrahend equal to the subtrahend. So our answer is correct. Today's homework 11 and 12 you have to do. Okay students, you can do by yourself this and this 11 and 12. Okay student, thank you.